guys and subscribers! Good morning.
Bro, today I am still talking about the Hispanic kids on middle school, bro. They're from Cuba and Mexico, bro. Number 1, they go to school. Number 2, they speak Spanish. Number 3, they don't know English. Number 4, they moved to United States of America. Number 5.
When I talk to Hispanic kids, they say, I'm sorry, no English. I want Spanish. For no reason, bro.
Even another Hispanic kid calls the math teacher Mr. Beast.
No, that's not Mr. Beast. Hispanic kids don't have brains, bro. The
Female Hispanic kid says, oh my god, you're dumb, every time when the Hispanic kid gets annoying. Then I said, how many IQ I have? Then the female Hispanic kid says, you have 9 IQ, and laughs at me for no reason.
Bro, how did she know English, bro? They're banned from Earth, bro.
Like and subscribe for more rants.